Before you pay for Hostinger, let me show you how to make sure you're getting the biggest discount available on your hosting plan. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on selected hosting plans, but you can potentially save even more. When you click the special link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, you'll also unlock an extra 20% discount automatically at checkout when eligible. And you don't need to type in any coupon code manually. Simply open the link, choose the hosting plan you want, and continue through checkout. The additional discount will be connected through the link and applied automatically. Now, here's something important. When you first reach the Hostinger plans page, you'll see their normal promotional prices. You might wonder, where's my extra 20% discount? Don't worry. The additional discount is applied during the checkout process, so continue to the checkout page and check your final total before completing your payment. If you're seeing prices in the wrong currency, click the flag icon at the top of the page, select your country, and Hostinger will update the pricing to your local currency. Now, let's quickly figure out which plan you should choose. If you're building your first website, creating a blog, launching a portfolio, or starting a small business website, I'd recommend checking out the premium plan. For most beginners, this is a great balance between affordability and useful features. Depending on the current offer, premium can include a free domain, SSL, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, Hostinger website builder, and AI-powered website tools. That means you can get most of the essentials needed to launch your website in one package. But if you're creating an e-commerce website, managing multiple projects, or expecting your website to grow, the business plan may offer better value. It provides additional resources and can include features such as daily backups and a free CDN. Daily backups are particularly useful for business websites and online stores. If you accidentally delete something, install a problematic update, or make a change that breaks your website, having a recent backup can make recovery much easier. The CDN can also help improve loading times for visitors in different locations around the world. Now, if you're building a larger website and need even more performance, take a look at the Cloud Startup Plan. This option is designed for more demanding projects and can provide higher performance, additional resources, priority support, and a dedicated IP. So don't automatically choose the cheapest or most expensive plan. Think about what you're actually building. For a regular website or blog, premium should be enough for many users. For e-commerce or multiple growing websites, business can be the better choice. And for projects requiring additional performance, Cloud Startup is worth considering. Another reason Hostinger is popular with beginners is its custom H panel. Instead of dealing with a complicated hosting dashboard, you get a clean interface where you can manage your websites, domains, emails, WordPress installations, backups, security, and other important settings. You don't need to be a developer to understand the basics. Hostinger also offers AI-powered tools that can make launching your website much faster. With the AI website builder, you can provide some basic information about your website and get a starting design generated for you. You can then customize the pages, text, images, and overall design however you want. Now let's get back to the savings. If you're planning to keep your website online long-term, make sure you compare all the available billing periods. Longer options, including a 48-month plan when available, can offer a lower effective monthly price.